Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the all-new 2022 Ford Maverick in a Lariat trim. The Maverick is Ford's new compact pickup truck that does come standard as a two-wheel drive hybrid, but this one is powered by the 2-liter EcoBoost engine with all-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. And inside the modular pickup bed, you do have pre-installed tie-down points, as well as a 400-watt power outlet there, and you have these QR codes throughout the vehicle which lead you to a site that gives you some ideas for what to do with your highly modular mini pickup. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for 3 with a nice full leather interior of this brown and sort of navy blue. In the middle you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having a USB, USB-C, and 120-volt power outlet in the middle, and these seats can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo and reveal some deep storage bins inside, as well as more of these QR codes to give you ideas for what to do with this, since you have points there where you can attach things. And this vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your pickup. And inside you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip information, tire pressures, you are now playing, fuel economy, and you can go into some service information as well. Then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with distance pacing technology, adaptive steering, and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. You also have your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock, and more over here you have your lighting controls. Then you have your trailer brake controller, which is part of the 4K tow package on this vehicle. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have plenty of options there. Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. To the right of that you have a little cubby, and above that you have a little cubby as well. You do have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your hazards. And moving further, you have your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel, so you can stay warm. That is part of the Lariat Luxury Pack, I believe. And moving down further, here you have a 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, as well as the controls for your power sliding rear window. It's a nice convenience. And then you have this sort of tray area here with a wireless charging pad, so if your phone's compatible, throw it on there to power. And then you have your main shifter on a dial, very convenient. Parking brake, 2 cup holders, little cubby, larger cubby, and then here you have your traction control shut off, your brake hold, auto start stop shut off, and your drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, slippery, eco, and sport, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then last but not least, you do have your center compartment / armrest, which is very spacious inside for all of your stuff, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.